Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to review a vegan salad that I found here at Kroger, of course. It's the vegan Caesar, and I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. So I found this vegan Caesar salad kit at Kroger. I was in the, produce section and I was like, ooh, yes, finally, because I love salads. And, most Caesar is not vegan, but this packet here is. So with everything, it's going to be 350 calories, and it has 28 grams of fat. It has calcium of 60 milligrams, iron of 2.4 milligrams, and potassium of 420 milligrams. Now, of course, everything is included in the kit. It has the romaine lettuce, the vegan Caesar, croutons, and the vegan Parmesan. Now, of course, you can make this whole kit yourself. But if you're short on time, you're working, and you don't want to put it all together yourself, you can pick this up here at Kroger, and hopefully it's delicious. So here we go. We're going to open this thing on up. Got my bowl here ready. I'm going to use some scissors. I'm not going to fight a package. But here we go. And there's how the Caesar and the croutons look. And of course your romaine, you should know what lettuce looks like. All right, so fresh out the pack, this is of course how the salad looks like any other salad. It's delicious. All right, so we're gonna try it. Here we go. I love salads, always have. So it's just good to see that they have the kit. I was kind of waiting for like, who's gonna come out with it first? And of course, Kroger did. They definitely nailed the Caesar taste. Oh my goodness. It tastes just like a regular Caesar salad you will order in a restaurant. You would never know the difference. Like at all. Oh my gosh, this is wow. Very good. Y'all gotta try this right here. This is delicious. Automatically, they get a 10 out of 10 from me. This right here, I'm telling you, as soon as I open up the kit, when I open up the Caesar dressing, I'm telling you guys, it smelled just like regular Caesar dressing. So they definitely nailed the vegan Caesar dressing, which tops it off and makes it look and smell and taste just like a regular Caesar salad. So again, 10 out of 10 for me. Y'all need to try it. So let me know what you think. If you see any other ones, hey, tell me, because I love salads. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.